United for Better Nigerian Initiative, an NGO, has appealed to Nigerians to focus on national unity rather than on acts that can cause the country to disintegrate. The national coordinator of United for Better Nigerian Initiative, who made the appeal, said Nigeria was facing a challenging time.
The nation will heal and by God's grace come out better. Other great nations have gone through similar things and survived. We ask that we focus on national unity, registering and voting right. This energy can be channeled to the polling booths at the right time. We members here will not allow anyone, any group, or any section to play politics of sentiment or self-gratification on the lives and properties of others on our platform. Our target here is to keep the country united. We have one great nation called Nigeria. It is our collective effort as Nigerians to keep the nation united. And do not buy into sentiment. What binds us is greater than what separates us. Be safe. Preach peace and unity. Educate and empower others to utilize their civic duties, get involved in their communities, volunteer, commit to register, and vote when needed.